All right, let's go ahead and make us some toast. So this is the Star Wars R2D2 toaster. And what we got here, we got some instructions right here. And then, of course, the toaster itself. It's pretty cool. Got some cardboard. Make sure you get all the cardboard out of the insert slots. This is the front of the R2D2 toaster. It does not swivel or anything like that. We have the dial, light or dark toast, and there's like a little tab right there that tells you how light or dark. And then, of course, we press it down. And as you can see on top here, closes right in on itself. Nothing on the back, nothing on the side, back to the front. On the bottom, looks like we have vents. And probably, yep, there it is, a little filter. So when you get all the breadcrumbs, you can take those out. You can wrap the cord around this area so you can store it in a good place. Here we go. Let's go get some bread and let's make some toast. One thing to note is the cord is only probably about 1 meter and maybe not even 3 feet right there. So you got to be close to an outlet. I got this kind of midway on the dial here.
One minute later.
And there we go. That was in the mid settings. So if you want it a little bit darker, you turn it up a little bit. You want it a little bit lighter, turn it down a little bit. But there's your toast, a little R2D2 toaster. Oh yeah, it does fit bagels.